Regrouping Practice 2. Hello, my name is Sarah. Thank you for joining me for this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to practice subtracting two-digit numbers with regrouping. You will need a whiteboard, a piece of paper, or the handout available with this lesson, and something to write with. Let's get started. Please copy this problem down on your paper or your board. 60 minus 43. Let's answer this problem together. We'll look at the ones column, the 0 and the 3. Let's circle the big number. 3 is bigger than 0. 3 is on the bottom. Big bottom borrow. If the big number is on the bottom, let's borrow. When we borrow, we regroup. Regroup and borrow mean the same thing. We'll cross off the 6. The 6 goes down to a 5. We're taking that 110 and adding it to the ones, and we just put a 1 in front of the number. So the 0 becomes a 10. Then we can subtract. 10, 9, 8, 7. 10 minus 3 is 7. Next, in the next column, we'll circle the 5, touch and count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. 60 minus 43 is 17. Be sure to check your work. Let's do another problem. Let's do 74 minus 39. Let's do this one together. We'll circle the big number, which is 9. The big number is on the bottom, so we have to borrow. Big bottom borrow. To borrow, we'll cross off the 7, which goes down to a 6. Then we'll put the 1 in front of the 14, and then touch and count. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 14 minus 9 is 5. In the next column, we'll circle the 6, touch and count. 6, 5, 4, 3. Our answer is 35. Be sure to check your work. The next problem is 56 minus 27. I'd like you to try to answer this problem on your own. I'll give you a few moments now to try to answer it. You may begin. Let's answer this together. If you're not finished, you may follow along and fill in what you're missing. Between 6 and 7, 7 is the big number. The big number is on the bottom, so we have to borrow. The 5 becomes a 4. We put the 1 in front of the 6 to become 16. Then we touch and count. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Next, we'll circle the 4. We'll touch and count backward. 4, 3, 2. Our answer is 29. Be sure to check your work. Only a few more problems left. Let's copy this one down. 84 minus 34. I'd like you to copy this problem down and take the next few moments to try to answer it on your own. You may begin. Let's review together. If you're not finished, you may follow along and fill in what you're missing. 4 minus 4. These two numbers are the same. Remember, if they're both the same, we always circle the one on top. Always. Let's touch and count. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We did not have to borrow or regroup because there is no big number on the bottom. In the next column, we'll circle the 8, touch and count backwards. 8, 7, 6, 5. Our answer is 50. Be sure to check your work. This is our last problem. 93 minus 65. Please copy this down. 93 minus 65. I'll give you a few moments now to try to answer this on your own. You may begin. Let's answer this problem together. If you're not finished, you may follow along and fill in what you're missing. Let's circle the big number between 3 and 5. 5 is the big number. Big, bottom, borrow. The big number is on the bottom, so we have to borrow. We'll cross off the 9, which becomes an 8. And then we put the 1 in front of the 13. Now let's touch and count. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 13 minus 5 is 8. Next, we'll circle the 8. We'll touch and count. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Our answer is 28. Be sure to check your work. In this lesson, we practiced subtracting two-digit numbers with regrouping. Thank you for following along.